Hello, hello. How are you? I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good. I do. Darn it! Dadgum! I'm on the wrong freaking channel. I'm on Jess's channel. Shoot, let me get on the right channel. Welcome back to the channel. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to the channel. Okay. Shoot. Man, I was on the wrong channel. I was over on Jess's channel. Let me get over on mine. Darn. Okay. Now we on the right channel. Hey guys. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. I got confused there for a minute. I was over on Jess's channel. Shoot. Nope. This is Unfiltered 50s. My name is Jeannie. And in today's video, I'm teaming up with my BFF, Jess Gus. And we are doing a skincare giveaway collab. Yep. This is a dynamic duo giveaway. And we thought that it was about time we hooked somebody up with some skincare. And so we are teaming up to do a dynamic duo giveaway. That means that you can sign up over here on my channel if you want to win something. You can sign up over on Jess's channel if you want to win something over there. That means you got two, not one, but two chances to win. So she's got a little gift care goodie bag to win, and I got a gift care goodie bag to win. So all you got to do if you want to win is say please enter me. You don't even have to say please, just leave the words enter me somewhere down below in the comment section so that I know that you like the goodie bag and you actually want to be entered, because I'm going to use the random comment picker to filter. How do you say that? I'm going to use the random comment picker to pick the winner, and I'm going to filter the entries. That's how you say it. Oh, wow. With the words enter me. You only have to leave one entry, but you can talk to me as many times as you want, because I'm just going to put that little check mark, you know, to filter out any extra entries. So, you know, you can leave as many comments as you want. But anyway, I'm going to use that little random comment thingamabob and use the words enter me. So you got to put both in your comment below. And yeah, that's really all you got to do. I would really love it if you were subscribed to my channel, but it's not a requirement. And I would love it if you follow me over on the IG, but it's not a requirement. I would love it if you give me a thumbs up or rate the video, but it's not a requirement. And don't forget, go over, do exactly the same thing on Jess's video too, so that you don't miss out on her giveaway. Okay, what's in the giveaway? Well, let me show you the products. Oh my goodness, because we got some good products for you. So I have got the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. So I've got this kind of a mask. It's a peel-off mask. This was in the AIA, I think that's what it's called, the box. The beauty box, the AIA box. And this is a pore purifying, brightening, visibly firming and tightening peel-off mask, and it is for all skin types. So I've got that going in the box. I've also got the pink charcoal watermelon purifying cleansing milk. So this is a cleanser. I've got that from Purlisse that's going in it. So that's a cleanser that's going in it. I have got a all-in-one beauty treatment body wash buffer from Spongelle. I think Jess has got one of these too. This is the beach grass scent. Oh, my favorite scent of all. These are the Oh, I can't help it every time I have to smell it. But this is one, you know, that hangs on the little, it's got a little hangy, you know. Oh, I love these in the shower. They are so good. And they last for a very long time. This has got the soap that's infused into the sponge. It's like soap on a rope. It's so good. I love these. And it smells divine. This is my favorite scent. Then I have the Vagine eye cream, hydroactive eye cream. So that's going in it. So I got an eye cream for you. One of my favorite products of all. This is very hard to get a hold of. This is the Ordinary Grand Active 5% retinoid in squalane. You can barely get your hands on this product. It's high in demand. It's always sold out on the Ulta website. It's always sold out on the Sephora website, but it is very, very good. It is a Grand Active retinoid. It doesn't cause flaking. I love this product, and so I want to be able to share the love with one of you guys for one of my favorite products of all time. So good. And then I have a Derma E Hydrating Night Cream. This is absolutely wonderful. It is a very, very good product. And it is a hyaluronic acid and green tea infused night cream. So I've got that going in. I've also got the 111 Skin. Guys, you know, I'm not overly impressed with 111 Skin products, but this is a niacinamide based product, so it's like a niacinamide serum. So basically you just use it like a niacinamide product. You know, do I think that 111 Skin is overinflated as far as the price? Yes, but still, you can use this like a niacinamide, which is going to be great for your pores. So use it like that, niacinamide serum. Then I've also got the Brazilian conditioner from Sol de Janeiro, the shampoo and conditioner set. So that's going to go in there as well. You know, I cannot use these products. So that's going in there, along with just a few face masks. I put in all of my skincare bundles a few face masks. So sheet face masks. So that's going in there as well. If you want to win this, then just put in the comments down below. Please enter me or enter me. And let me state the disclaimer that this giveaway does not have anything to do in cahoots with, associated with, in any way, shape, form, or fashion with YouTube. We bought these products ourselves. YouTube is not responsible, liable in any way, shape, form, or fashion with this giveaway. We did the giveaway. We bought the products ourselves with our own money, or either they were gifted to us because we bought BoxyCharm or another box, or somehow or other got a hold of these products through our own money. And we are gifting these to you because we love ya, love ya, love ya, love ya, love ya, love ya. And so that's the reason why we do this, because we want to share our giveaways and our box products with one of you guys, because you are so good to us and we want to make somebody happy and let you enjoy some of these products for yourself. So if you like what's in the giveaway, then enter. If you don't like the products, don't enter. Let somebody else enjoy them. Anyway, we love ya, love ya, love ya. We love being the dynamic duo. Of course, you know that I am Harley Quinn. And so, yeah, all you gotta do is enter down below. And if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my BFF's channel. And we would love to have you part of the Dynamic Duo family. And we will see you in the next video. Smooches, babies. And keep it real in Gotham City. Bye for now.